Honda NC750X Best Motorcycle to Learn On. Before you start poring over biker forums and Google searches for best beginner motorcycles, you need to consider some good learner bikes. Most rider schools offer standard street motorcycles to learn on, and that's certainly a good choice. However, the learning won't stop once you get your endorsement. As a new rider, you'll need to constantly practice and hone your skills before you're fully confident on the bike. Keep this in mind when choosing your first motorcycle. You'll need something that's easy to handle, forgiving, and reliable. There's nothing worse than trying to wrestle a motorcycle that's too big and too powerful for you as a beginner. Next, think about the type of riding you'll want to do. Will you mostly be commuting on your bike? Do you want to get into adventure motorcycling and travel? Are you into sports bikes or off-road riding? As you progress, your priorities may change, and you may end up changing disciplines or buying multiple motorcycles, but a good motorcycle for beginners will typically be capable of handling a little bit of everything. Street motorcycles like Yamaha Tracer and Kawasaki Ninja, as well as Honda NC models, are great bikes to learn on regardless of what discipline you may choose down the line. Reliability and maintenance. Next, you have to consider things like reliability and maintenance. Most modern motorcycles do not break down easily, and, as long as you service the bike regularly, you shouldn't have any issues. However, some bikes are more highly strung than others and may require additional care and frequent service, and for new riders, this can be intimidating. Finally, think about your budget. Are you buying new or second-hand? Are you looking for a bike that's brand new but affordable? Price points matter when you're looking for an entry-level motorcycle because, once you've mastered the basics, you may want to move on to a different machine, and there's no point spending tens of thousands of dollars on something you may decide to change within a year or two. Honda NC750X Review. Features: NC750X. Technology: Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC. With Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, you can choose a level which allows some rear wheel spin on gravel or dirt, for instance, or pick a second level which reduces wheel spin, particularly on slippery roads. It's a great feature that helps make the NC750X even more versatile. Available on DCT model only. Throttle by wire. The NC750X features throttle by wire, TBW, technology. That also lets us give you 4 selectable engine power delivery modes: standard, rain, sport, and an additional user customizable setting. 41mm fork. With 5.4 inches of travel, you get a perfect balance between a long distance and a short hop street machine. This gives it a wide range of capability, good handling, and helps inspire confidence. Disc brakes with combined ABS. Single front and rear disc brakes give the NC750X great stopping power. Now standard on all NC750X models, you'll get ABS brakes that are linked rear to front for added stopping power, even under challenging conditions. LCD instrument panel. Full digital LCD instrumentation includes digital speedometer, digital bar-type tachometer, clock, low fuel gauge, and 2 trip meters. Plus, the touch bar graph changes color according to fuel consumption, RPM, gear position, and more. Convenience. Integrated storage compartment. The 2022 NC750X offers a large 23-liter utility compartment that's big enough to hold most dual-sport full-face helmets with a visor, and then some. Secure and convenient, you'll use it every time you ride. Automatic dual-clutch transmission, DCT. Shift with the push of a button, or select the NC750X's automatic mode and the bike will shift itself. Our automatic DCT offers 3 riding modes as well, depending on the kind of performance you want. It's been a huge hit on our other models, and once you ride an NC750X with DCT, you'll see why. Underseat fuel tank. The 3.7-gallon underseat fuel tank centralizes mass and enhances overall handling. Locating the tank and filler underneath the passenger seat allows for innovative centralized storage between the front of the seat and the handlebar. Performance. 745cc parallel twin engine. With its cylinders tipped 55 degrees forward for lower center of gravity, the NC750X's engine is a big step forward in modern powerplant design. The two-cylinder format produces tons of low and mid-range torque, and the 270-degree phase crank and uniaxial primary balancer make it smooth, too. Slipper clutch. On our manual transmission NC750X, you get a slipper clutch that helps eliminate will hop under downshifting, and which also lightens clutch lever pull by 20%. Cast aluminum 17-inch wheels. The 17-inch wheels give you a wide choice of premium tires to choose from and really help the NC750X offer responsive handling in turns. The cast wheels are light and strong, and look great too. Electronic fuel injection. Carbureted engines can be fussy when it comes to feeding them fuel. Not the NC750X. Electronic fuel injection means easy startups on cold mornings and flawless running even at high elevations. ProLink registered HMAS rear suspension. Offering 5.9 inches of rear wheel travel and teamed with a Honda multi-action system and #40, HMAS and #41, rear shock, the NC750X eats up the gnarliest pavement while giving you a smooth ride. Steel truss frame. Light, strong and with just the right amount of stiffness, the NC750X's rigid and compact chassis is the foundation for precise handling. Comfort. Low-profile windscreen. The NC750X offers just the right amount of bodywork, enough to offer good wind protection, but not so much that the bike feels heavy or wide. Low seat height. The NC750X's 31.6-inch seat height is low by adventure bike standards, and that makes it even more rider-friendly in traffic or in parking lots. Streamlined cowl and bodywork. Think the 2022 NC750X looks sharp? The cowl and windscreen offer welcome wind protection, and the sharp styling freshens up the bike's look too. Extra comfortable seat. On a bike like the NC750X, you'll probably want to extend your adventures and take some longer trips. That's why we gave it a seat with a shape that's both supportive enough for cornering and comfortable even when the miles stack up. Adventure-ready accessories. Because the NC750X is so versatile, we offer a wide range of Honda accessories to help you custom tailor it for your adventures. Choose from top box carriers, USB ports, tall windscreens, center stands, cowl guards, saddlebags, heated grips and much, much more. With all of this in mind, here are some ideas for the best beginner motorcycles in different disciplines.